Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. Today I have another one of my RocksBox unboxings. Before I begin, let me explain this situation that I have going on in my face. I just filmed a Pride makeup tutorial, so that's why I have little sparkles in my face. I did clean off my eyeshadow look, but I thought I'd be festive and keep the little stars on, so there you go. Also, I do have to mention that RocksBox just extended my membership for 6 months. So this is in partnership with them. I have been paying for my own membership, but RocksBox has on, I think, like 2 occasions extended it for free for me as a complimentary extension to my membership. They just did that, so I wanted to let you know I am transparent when it comes to this kind of stuff. I want you to know if something that I'm showing you has been gifted to me, if I'm getting paid. I always disclose that, but just want to let you know. All right, so let's get started on this unboxing. So here's my latest RocksBox. It's been sitting in my apartment for a while, so I'm really excited to dig into it. Every box comes with a little pamphlet that tells you about the products included, but I want to be surprised, so I'm setting that aside. Now, I'm not truly 100% surprised because now RocksBox is giving you the ability to swap out your pieces. You get an email when a box is ready for you. 3 items have been selected by their stylist, but you can look at the 3 pieces. Sorry, it's been a long day. You can look at the 3 pieces and then decide whether you want to swap out, and then you can see them and then decide which one you want to swap out. It's super easy, super simple, and it's a really cool new feature, so I appreciate that. But I haven't looked at that website for a while. I haven't checked that email for a while. This has been sitting in my apartment for a few days, so I don't remember what's coming to me. And I actually think that I just left it as is because I like the pieces that they had selected for me. But let's see. So the first thing I'm seeing here is that there is a Kendra Scott bag, and I'm going to save that for the end because Kendra Scott is one of my absolute favorite designers. So I'm going to save that one for the last. And then there's 2 RocksBox dust bags. So first one is a silver-toned snake necklace, and it has kind of like pave crystals on it. Very pretty, delicate chain, and then there's the snake. And of course you can adjust the size, which I really like, so you can wear it like a choker or wear it longer. I like that. So I'm going to wear it a little shorter. Very pretty. I love that. That's really nice. Cute. Okay, moving on to the next dust bag. Ooh, this is a beautiful silver tone ring. You have to look at this stone. It's really pretty. Oh my gosh. Let's see. How beautiful is that? That's beautiful. It's like a dark indigo blue, and it's sparkly and it shimmers. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love that. And it looks really good with the silver tone hardware. And the last piece is by Kendra Scott. Ooh, nice. These are some silver toned hoop earrings and also have like iridescent stones encrusted in them. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and try these on as well. And there you go. Here are all the pieces that I received from my latest RocksBox delivery. I love them. I think they're so pretty. And it's nice to have silver toned hardware options because a lot of my stuff tends to be yellow gold. So I'm definitely gonna wear this very soon. And now for the card, it says, "Hey gorgeous, hi Jessica. I'm so glad you loved your last set. I hope you love this one just as much. Add an edgy twist to your daily look with the Lombard pendant. Layer it with a choker to play up the vibe. These lightweight Veronica earrings by Kendra Scott create a subtle shine for any outfit. You'll enjoy wearing them to work or a weekend getaway with the girls. Dazzle them with this glam Raleigh ring in silver and navy Druzy. It's perfect for your next event. Let me know if there's anything in particular that you would like to see in your next set. Enjoy, Jamie. So the Rudiment Lombard pendant in silver retails $59. The Kendra Scott Veronica earrings in silver are $60, and the Ava Rose Raleigh ring in silver and navy Druzy retails for $65, but if I wanted to purchase it, I get a member discount of $55. For those of you who are new to my RocksBox unboxings and need a little more clarification, this is a subscription service that you pay $21 a month or 6-month membership, or you can pay for a year-long membership at a discount. And what that comes with is a box delivered to you with 3 pieces of jewelry that you get to wear. You're borrowing basically these pieces. You get to wear them. If you fall in love with them, then you can buy them, usually at a member discount, or you send it back and get another box. There's no limit to how many boxes you can get per month. And if you are quick to wear them and send them back, you can probably fit in about 3 on average, maybe 4 if you're really fast, per month. Now, why do you want this service? Why are you not buying them, keeping them? These are really nice designer pieces. You're getting things from brands like Kendra Scott, House of Harlow, brands like that these pieces tend to be on, definitely not your most economical, but not your most expensive pieces. You're getting mid-range pieces of jewelry right there. Kendra Scott has gorgeous pieces that range, I mean, some of her pieces are like $65, some of them are closer to $100, some of them are more, some of them are less. So without having to invest on every single piece of jewelry, this is a way that you can have a bottomless jewelry little box, because you have all these unlimited pieces coming to you without having to invest in every single piece. Otherwise, it'd be $50 here, $50 here, $100 here, $75 here. All you're doing is paying $21 a month and you have unlimited amount of jewelry. If you still have more questions, don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section below, and I will be happy to answer them whenever I can. So there you go. Once again, these are all the pieces in my latest RocksBox. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Click that little bell icon so that you can set up notifications. And don't forget to choose always as the option so that you get a notification every time I post a new video. I make new videos every single week, and I cover fashion, beauty, travel, you name it, I cover it all. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned.